Hello Pourholic friends, I am Loida, the creator of loveacrylicpainting.com and enchantingfineart.com. Today I'm going to be doing a flip cup, a basic technique for beginners, but I'm going to be using some Prizm Pour paints because these paints are absolutely stunning. They are from Colourarte, and so I'm going to be using these paints along with just two regular tube paints from Artist Loft, and I am going to be using the Vivid Polypour and a little bit of silicone oil in my paints to create some cells. So I added some silicone oil to these 4 cups right here. The only one that doesn't have silicone is the white paint. I added about 2 to 3 drops of silicone oil into each of these cups. They were all mixed with the Vivid Polypour and a little bit of water to get them to have a 2-second mound consistency. So it takes about 2 seconds for that drop to integrate into the rest of the cup. 1, 2. 1, 2. These colors are Sassy Sprite, Big Apple, Peach Dahlia. This one is a combination of violet and light magenta from Artist Loft. And this last one is just white paint from Artist Loft. I'm just going to be using a cup here, and okay, let's add some white at the top. We can get cells even when we're using Vivid Polypour rather than using Floetrol. And the reason I do like to use the Vivid Polypour rather than Floetrol for the Prizm Pour paints is because Floetrol will definitely rob the Prizm Pour paints their beauty, their sparkliness, their vibrancy. So even though I do like Floetrol for all of my other tube paints, I don't really like Floetrol for Prizm Pour paints. It just robs them of all their beauty. So I want to show you that you can get cells by using a different pouring medium. In this case, we're using the Vivid Polypour. However, you do have to help yourself with, by using a little bit of silicone oil in your paints. I'm gonna show you that you can create cells, beautiful cells. However, you have to keep in mind that if you do want to keep the roundness of your cells, you are going to have to spin your canvas. In this case, I don't have my spinner. I do have one, but it's just hidden somewhere. It's just put away, and I just don't have the time right now to take it out. So I just wanted to show you that you can create beautiful cells, but in order to keep the shape of the cells and to make them bigger, you are going to have to spin this, or unless you're a pro at tilting a canvas. I'm not a pro at tilting a canvas without messing up the cells. So let me just show you what beautiful cells you have here. So let me get you up close.
Remember to use code LOVE621 to get 20% off any of these Colourarte Prizm Pour paints or any of their products. Look at those gorgeous and juicy cells. Aren't they beautiful? Those colors are just amazing. I like how sparkly they are, how iridescent they are, how colorful they are. They're just absolutely beautiful. Now, I'm not going to show you a finished painting here because I don't have my spinner, and if I tilt this painting, I'm just going to lose all of my cells. So this video was mostly meant to be an experiment, and it was meant to show you that you can create beautiful, colorful cells when using Prizm Pour paints and without using Floetrol. So basically by using the Vivid Polypour or the Vivid Enamel from Colourarte. But you will have to use a little bit of silicone oil to get those cells. However, by using the Colourarte pouring mediums, you'll be able to keep the vibrancy of the Prizm Pour paints. So if you're a beginner and you're having a hard time doing the bloom pour or doing a swipe and getting these beautiful cells, this is a great way to get beautiful and colorful cells with doing a basic flip cup. And remember to just spin this out rather than tilting so you can preserve the shape of your cells. Check out loveacrylicpainting.com for free guides, free info, and courses to make you a better fluid artist. And also check out enchantingfineart.com for embellishing products that you can use on your fluid art or your resin artwork. I will see you in my next video.